Ona thengia ya MURITU maria maronekana kung'ethera gukinyanirio kwa igoti ria waki wa nyumba cia raithi, mutongoria wa bururi ni akinyiririe gutigirira watho uyu ni warutithio wira. Akiaria higo ya kuhingura kigomano gia kiari kia wigithia kia Kenya aria marutaga wira nja wa bururi, RUTO augite ona ang'ethaniria Kenya kwanza mbere ya githurano kia mwaka muhituku, Azimio la Umoja ni mari na kioneki kia waki wa nyumba cia raithi, nona gukiri uguo thina munene ni gukorwo hatiri mundu urenda gutigirira kioneki giki ni giakinyanira.
The same housing project, complete with percentages of the levy, was also in the Azimio manifesto. But when it came to implementation, my friends, that is where the devil lives. Nobody wanted it implemented. Because we all want to talk about it. It is good. You know, we go tell the people we are going to do this, we are going to do this. When hardly people mean it. I am telling you, this time round, I am implementing it.
President RUTO ni athiete na mbere na kuheana mihiano ya mabũrũri maria makinyanirie kioneki giki, akiruma kini gutigirira bũrũri wa Kenya ni waingira ithabu-ini riri.
Korea did it, Singapore did it, Malaysia did it, and that is why they are ahead of us. We know what we must do, but we cannot gather the courage to do it. But this time round, whatever it takes.
Thirikari ya Kenya kwanza ikoretwo ikihinyiriria muoroto munene wa tafarira eno ni guthondekera mbeũ njĩthĩ mĩeke ya mawĩra. RUTO akiuga kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 8 mĩhĩtũku tafarira ya waki wa nyũmba cia raithi ni hete a Kenya 120 mawĩra tafarira-inĩ ĩno.
Electricians, including laborers. That's a whole ecosystem of people working. These are people who would otherwise be jobless today. My intention is that we are going to double these numbers by March next year. We are going to triple them by end of next year. And in 5 years, we will have 500,000 Kenyans working, and the whole country will be a bustling construction site.
Igoti nene niririga gukinyaniria igoti ria waki wa nyumba cia raithi ni mugaru na watho nikirikana nirirathutũkania aria mandikitwo mawira nona gukiri uguo igoti niriaheire mwena wa thirikari nginya tariki 10 mweri wa Januari mwaka ukite gukorwo icoketie cira riko kana kurunga icunjĩ iria cirerikana ni ciragarara watho.
I promise you, all leaders in Kenya, they know what should be done. Everybody knows what should be done, but it never gets done. So this time round, we are going to be intentional, we are going to be deliberate, because we must do it.
Riri no rimwe ria magoti maria thirikari ya Kenya kwanza igathikite kuma yaingira wathanine ikiuga bururi ndungitoria kuriha mathiri maria winamo atari kungania mbeca makiria kuma kuri muingi kuhitukira magoti. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni MUMBI wa CHEGE.